skydiving.
Go.
Whoa!
Stop! Stop! That's not the bad thing. Stop! 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 All right. Guys, what is up? It is me, Glizzlet VR. In today's video, we're going to be hunting every monster in the game. This is kind of like Just Toasty's video, but we're going to be hunting every monster. So that includes like every single monster. By the way, if you like my videos, make sure to like, subscribe, join the Discord in the bio, and let's get started with it. All right.
Yo, we're gonna need weapons. I don't got any weapons. See, I got this innocent little umbrella.
This is all I have in my bag.
Yo, this should be a weapon, bro. Ching, ching, ching. Look how far this is out of my hand. No, look at this.
Okay, so I have a revolver. And then if I get an RPG ammo, then that will be good. But anyways, let's get into the video. Honors for the kill.
Money talks. Where'd he go?
I don't know.
Did we get that?
No, don't go near it. Oh, he's throwing a rock. Yeah, he missed.
I hit him.
Got him. Here. Flashbang.
I'll take it.
All right.
I'll take it. No, I'll take it.
That's another monster. We have 2 of 13. Let's go.
Chickens aren't monsters.
Well, we're counting them as. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Killed it. Please give me shotgun ammo. It gave me a metal pipe. Oh, that's good for your crossbow.
I just lost my crowbar.
It's fine, just leave the crowbar.
Okay. I got a freaking metal pipe.
Look, it's Angler.
Idiot. Didn't even get to attack me. Don't mind if I do.
Alright, so we got the ogre, chicken, turkey, and angler. Angler, ogre. So we have 4 out of 13. This will be our 5th one. Don't move. Alright, beat it up.
Stupid idiot.
Good job. You can have that. Grenade.
A grenade. I don't need that.
Alright. So that means we have.
Wait, we gotta kill this
Now
ogre
we
too.
got. We have to kill what?
This ogre too.
No, we only had to kill 1 ogre.
Okay, let's go then.
No, we have to go to Grandma's.
Yeah, Grandma's is this way.
Oh, it is? Oh.
Yeah, it's right here.
I'm still not used to this map layout. And then. Hey. Yo, why isn't it not dead?
Just let it flash. Yep.
6 of 13. I killed the eye.
Wait, how do you kill the eye? Oh, you killed the eye. Okay, yeah, I know.
Grenade. Okay, so we have. Oh my god. I think we have 7 of 13. Because we still have to take a picture, take a picture. Good job.
Put that in your bag. Let's go kill a Scooby Turkey.
Yeah.
Grandma! Grandma?
Oh my god, take a picture.
You gotta shine the light.
Did you get it?
Yeah, she's gonna.
Alright, let's just go. We're gonna count it. Okay,
You can't kill Grandma.
yeah, you can't. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so we got, let's go back. Nothing we need in sewers besides the mimic, but the mimic is in mines, so we're just gonna go down there. Let me get my flashlight out.
I think there's something else that we're missing. Because you said there's 13. How many do we have?
We have 9. We get the mimic.
No, I'll get the mimic.
Alright. You got this. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Stupid idiot.
Where is it? Oh.
Sit down. Sit down. Told you to sit down.
Alright, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh yeah. Ooh, shotgun. Oh, revolver ammo. Okay, let's go kill the spider.
It's a spider.
Killed it. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, we have 2 more. The bomb. And the rock bomb. Okay, I'm gonna go find them. If you're gonna come out. And we have 1 more to go. The rock. I don't know where that is though. Like, is it still in the game, guys? Okay, well, listen. I'm gonna. Oh yeah, how am I gonna get out? Oh, I know. I'm gonna use this rocket. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys can please tell me in the comments, I will kill that, I will kill it. I will go and kill the, rock golem. I just don't know where it is. So, if you guys enjoy this video and you want me to kill more monsters, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next vid. And, yeah, peace out, guys.